How to make transparent text effect in the Photoshop. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to add up your background. After that, you have to unlock it and copy the first layer. After copy the first layer, you have to go on the text and add up your text. You can add the horizontal, vertical which you want to add. Simply click on the text type and here you have to add up your text. Once you add up your text, you have to click on the tick and here you have to also make a copy of your this one text. Once you make the copy, what you have to do is simply click on the right button and here you have to go on the convert to shape. After converting to shape, you have to click on the rectangle tool. After selecting the rectangle tool, you have to go on the stroke and here you have to add the RGB stroke. Once you add the stroke, you have to go on the RGB and here you have to simply add the white plain color. So once you've done it, what you have to do is take a text and here you have to bring it down in the copy layer of the background, and the text should be transparent. So yeah, this is how you can make transparent text effect in the Photoshop.